Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain Shadow speaking. The year 2024 was a time that left an indelible mark on the history of aviation. The skies, often a symbol of freedom and progress, became a stage for human drama, where moments of triumph turned to tragedy and ordinary journeys took devastating, unexpected turns. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a journey through 12 months filled with emotion and unforeseen events. This is the story of a year that spared no one, from everyday passengers to seasoned pilots, and even those on the ground whose lives were forever changed in an instant. Every story you are about to hear is more than just numbers and reports. They are tales of courage and desperation, of split-second decisions, and of lives hanging by a thread. Some fought for survival, others became heroes, and their stories stand as a testament to how thin the line between life and death can be in the skies. It was a year when the serene blue of the sky was too often obscured by smoke and flames. Catastrophic failures, tragic collisions, and emergency landings that turned into battles for survival. Within each of these moments lies a depth of emotion that cannot be quantified. Fear, hope, and sometimes the heroism that leaves a lasting legacy. The year 2024 reminded us of life's fragility when technology fails, or when nature puts us to the ultimate test. These events, though harrowing, serve as both a warning and a lesson, urging us to strive relentlessly for greater safety in the skies. Prepare yourself for a journey through stories that shook the world. This is a chronicle of skies filled with emotion, tragedy, and human resilience. Fasten your seatbelts. We are about to dive into a year that will not be forgotten. January 2024, a new year began, filled with hope for peace and harmony. Yet the skies, a symbol of freedom and progress, became the stage for devastating events that shook the world. The crash of B-1B Lancer, January 4th, South Dakota, Ellsworth Air Force Base. A B-1B Lancer, a supersonic strategic bomber, departs for a routine training mission. On board are 4 crew members, seasoned professionals, who have proven their skills in the most challenging situations. The weather that day is relentless thick fog. Icy winds and snow create a treacherous environment. Hours later, the bomber begins its return. In the control tower, tension rises as the radar shows the aircraft approaching. The captain reports difficulty handling the aircraft in these conditions, yet his voice remains calm, confident in both his abilities and the machine. But tragedy strikes during landing. A massive aircraft skids on the icy runway, tilting dangerously. Flames engulf the engines, forcing the crew to make a split-second decision: eject. In a heart-stopping moment, all 4 seats rocket into the air, and the crew parachutes down into the freezing South Dakota landscape. Miraculously, they survive. The B-1B, worth hundreds of millions of dollars, is reduced to a smoldering wreck, a stark reminder of how even the most advanced machines are no match for the unpredictability of nature. January to Tokyo, one of the busiest airports in the world. The day begins like any other, filled with the hum of engines and the rhythm of landings and takeoffs. An Airbus A350-900, carrying hundreds of passengers, is completing its journey, preparing to land. Meanwhile, a Bombardier Dash It operated by the Japan Coast Guard is stationed on the same runway. In a moment of miscommunications, or perhaps an error in judgment, the Airbus collides with the Dash It. The smaller aircraft bursts into flames, its crew of 5 perishing instantly. Inside the Airbus, the chaos is palpable. Passengers feel the violent jolt, hear the deafening noise, and see flames through the windows. Panic spreads, but the crew works swiftly to evacuate everyone, though no lives are lost aboard the Airbus. 17 passengers sustain injuries. The collision becomes a global headline, raising urgent questions about how such a tragedy could occur at one of the world's most advanced airports. The crash of Ilyushin Il-76, January 2 for Jablonau, Russia, on a cold winter morning. An Ilyushin Il-76 transport aircraft takes off, carrying 74 people, crew, and passengers. It's a routine flight, and everything appears normal. The aircraft, a workhorse of the skies, is in excellent condition, operated by a skilled crew. Hours into the flight, disaster strikes. Witnesses on the ground describe a deafening roar as the plane plummets at a terrifying speed. The impact scatters debris over a wide area, leaving behind a scene of utter devastating burning wreckage and smoke billowing into the frosty air. There are no survivors. March 2024 arrived with a welcome sense of calm. For 31 days, the skies remained mercifully clear of major incidents. Across the world, aviation operated smoothly, with no ill tragedies reported. Pilots continued their flights, and passengers arrived safely at their destinations. But even in peaceful times, vigilance remained the cornerstone of aviation safety. Experts worked tirelessly behind the scenes, analyzing past events and near misses. Their efforts were a testament to the dedication required to keep the skies safe. The absence of disaster was a silent victory for countless unseen hands. It was a reminder that the hard work of many prevented the heartbreak of few. As March faded into April, hopes grew that this calm would continue. April 2024 became another month without major aviation disasters. Airports thrived, with travelers embarking on journeys and reuniting with loved ones. The hum of engines filled the air as planes soared safely through blue skies. Safety protocols remained in sharp focus despite the lack of immediate incidents. This brief respite gave time for reflection and preparation for future challenges. The aviation industry worked constantly to ensure every journey was as safe as possible. Yet beneath this calm lay an understanding that risks always linger in the background. And as April ended, the world once again turned its eyes to the skies. May 2024 began with clear skies, but quickly turned to sorrow on the 5th of May. A tragedy unfolded in Manaus, Brazil, shocking the nation. Flight 2283, operated by Vopas, Linus was on a routine trip. The ATR-72 aircraft carried 70 passengers and crew on a normal journey. But as the plane approached its destination, it encountered sudden mechanical difficulties. Witnesses described the aircraft descending rapidly before crashing into dense Amazon forest. The impact was devastating, leaving only 5 survivors. Amidst the wreckage and flames, rescue teams struggled to navigate the jungle and reach. The sight of destruction. Families waited anxiously for news, as their worst fears were tragically confirmed. 65 lives were lost, and the investigation began to uncover the cause. The nation mourned deeply as officials worked to prevent future disasters like this. May came to a somber close, as the world reflected on the fragile nature of flight. June 2024 brought relief as skies remained peaceful once again. No major incidents disrupted the month, and travelers reached destinations without fear. In every airport, the hum of daily operations carried on without major interruptions. It was a time for the aviation community to regroup after earlier tragedies. The absence of disaster in June offered a brief but welcome moment of solace. As the month drew to a close, no one could predict what July would bring. July 2024 began quietly, but soon became a month of sorrow. On the 12th of July, a training exercise in Gdynia, Poland turned into tragedy. An M-346 training jet piloted by a skilled aviator took to the skies. The maneuver was routine, and conditions were ideal for the flight to succeed. But something went wrong as the aircraft suddenly lost altitude and crashed to the ground. Emergency teams rushed to the scene, but the pilot had tragically lost his life. The incident shocked Poland, and the Air Force mourned the loss of a valued member. The crash was a reminder of the dangers faced even in controlled training environments. On the 25th of July, another tragedy struck, this time in Vilnius, Lithuania. DHL Flight 18 Delta, a Boeing 737 freighter, was approaching its landing. The crew reported technical problems and requested clearance for an immediate emergency landing. As the plane descended, it veered off course and crashed into a residential neighborhood. The impact destroyed homes and left 5 residents dead amidst the chaos and flames. Emergency teams worked tirelessly to contain the destruction and rescue survivors from the debris. This event left a lasting scar on the community and raised urgent safety concerns. July ended with heavy hearts as the world mourned those lost in these tragedies. August 2024 began with hope for quiet skies. For many days, aviation operated smoothly without any significant incidents. Pilots navigated their routes and passengers reached destinations without fear. But on the 9th of August, this peace was tragically shattered in Brazil. Shocking. Vopaz Airlines Flight 2283 began as a routine journey. The ATR 72-500 carried 58 passengers and 4 crew. As the plane approached Vinhedo, the skies grew dark with turbulent weather. Witnesses saw the aircraft battling strong winds and losing altitude rapidly. And moments later, the plane disappeared into the dense Brazilian forest. Rescue teams discovered the wreckage and confirmed the loss of 62 lives. The crash left families devastated and raised questions about aviation safety. This was the deadliest aviation disaster in Brazil in over 17 years. And August ended under a cloud of mourning as the world grieved this great loss. September 2024 brought a much-needed period of calm. No major aviation disasters occurred, and operations continued without interruptions. Airports around the world reported smooth operations with no significant delays. This was a time to reflect on past tragedies and improve safety measures. Training programs and drills ensured that crews remained prepared for emergencies. The absence of incidents was a reminder of the collective effort for safer skies. October 2024 began with promise, but soon tragedy struck. On the 4th of October, a Spanish Air Force F-18 took off for training. The pilot was experienced and conditions appeared ideal for a successful mission. During the flight, the jet encountered a flock of birds, causing engine failure. The pilot ejected, but the altitude was too low for the parachute to deploy. The pilot's death sent shockwaves through the Spanish aviation and military communities. This incident highlighted the risks pilots face even during routine operations. November 2024 brought another tragic event, this time in Lithuania. On the 25th of November, DHL Flight 18 Delta approached Vilnius Airport. The Boeing 737 freighter carried essential cargo and a small crew. During landing, the aircraft veered off the runway and collided with ground equipment. One life was lost in the accident, and investigations began to uncover the cause. This incident was a stark reminder of the importance of precision in every flight. December 2024 began with celebration, but ended in sorrow. On the 25th of December, Azerbaijan Airlines Flight 8243 crashed. The Embraer E-190AR was diverted to Aktok, Kazakhstan due to bad weather. During landing, the aircraft struck birds, causing critical damage in a fatal crash. 38 lives were lost in the wreckage, and families mourned this holiday tragedy. 4 days later, Jeju Air Flight 737-800 ended in disaster. The aircraft skidded off the runway during landing in Muan, South Korea. Out of 181 people on board, only 2 survived the deadly explosion. This was one of the deadliest aviation disasters in modern history, leaving global impact. December closed with heavy hearts as the world reflected on the fragility of flight. As the final moments of the year fade away, we are left with stories that remind us of the fragility of life and the unpredictable nature of the skies. 2024 was a year of triumphs and tragedies, of lessons learned and lives lost. Behind every number, behind every report, are human stories, families, loved ones, and communities forever changed. Let us move into the new year with hope and determination. Let us honor those we have lost by striving for safer skies, by continuing to innovate, and by never taking for granted the wonder of flight. From all of us here, we wish you a safe and prosperous new year. Let 2025 be a year of peace, progress, and unity. If you found this journey through the skies meaningful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video to show your support, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's reflect, learn, and look forward to a brighter future. Thank you for watching, and see you in the new year.